Start simple. Grow strong. Never quit. Ladies and gentlemen, let me speak to you today, not as a teacher, not as an expert, but as someone who understands what it feels like to struggle. Some of you opened an English book with hope. Some of you downloaded apps with excitement. Some of you promised yourself, "This time I will learn." And then you forgot words. You made mistakes. You felt slow. You felt embarrassed. And quietly, deep inside your heart, a voice whispered, "Maybe English is not for me." Today, I am here to silence that voice. Because that voice is lying to you. You are not weak. You are not stupid. You are not bad at languages. You are human. And learning a language is one of the hardest, bravest things a human can do. You are training your brain to think in a new way. You are teaching your mouth new sounds. You are building courage every time you try to speak. That is not weakness. That is strength. But the world teaches you the wrong idea. It teaches you to run before you can walk. It teaches you to be perfect before you are ready. It teaches you to compare your beginning to someone else's success. That is why so many people quit. Not because they cannot learn, but because they believe they cannot. Let me tell you the truth. Fluent people were once confused beginners. Confident speakers were once afraid to say one sentence. Strong English users were once slow readers. They did not become powerful in one day. They became powerful by choosing simple things every day. Simple reading. Simple words. Simple practice. Simple mistakes. That is how real progress is born. Not from pressure. Not from shame. But from patience. You do not need difficult English to become fluent. You need clear English. You need kind English. You need daily English. This is why simple tools matter. When you read something easy, your brain relaxes. When your brain relaxes, it learns faster. When you understand, confidence grows. When confidence grows, speaking becomes natural. And when speaking becomes natural, your life changes. Do not try to impress people with big words. Try to express yourself with honest words. Your thoughts matter. Your story matters. Your dreams matter. English is not just a subject. It is a voice. A voice that lets the world hear who you really are. But voices grow slowly. Like trees. Like muscles. Like courage. So if today you understand only a little, continue. If today you speak with mistakes, continue. If today you feel slow, continue. Slow progress is still progress. One page a day becomes a book. One sentence a day becomes a conversation. One brave try becomes confidence. And one day, you will speak without fear. You will listen without panic. You will read without translating. You will write without shaking. And you will look back at this moment. And you will say, "I didn't quit. I didn't run. I didn't give up on myself." So start simple. Read easy things. Learn small words. Speak small sentences. Practice daily. Not to be perfect, but to be free. Because fluency is not built by intelligence. It is built by courage. It is built by patience. It is built by people who fall and stand again. And if you are still trying today, then you are already stronger than you think. Keep going. Your English will grow. Your confidence will grow. And one day, your voice will be louder than your fear.